How to get viewers to stay in your stream? Who's that? So you recently started streaming and you're trying to hit that affiliate, but you can't seem to keep viewers watching? Don't worry about that. I got you covered. Here's 10 ways to maintain viewers and keep people watching while you stream in the year 2020. Sometimes it can be tough starting out as a beginner streamer, but just by using a few of these tips, you can go from a streamer like this to a streamer like this.
I don't know where they came from. I'm scared.
5, 4, 3, 2.
And in just a few weeks of time, you will have viewers sticking around in your stream to support you as you grow on your journey as a streamer. Now that's what I'm talking about. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name's Wesley, aka the CalmCoolSavage, and I'll be your Twitch hack for the night. This is my new series on the channel dedicated to helping beginner and amateur streamers on Twitch. If you guys enjoy this content, hit up the like button or comment down below and let me know what else you would like to see from this channel. I'm interested in hearing what you guys think. Twitch is a video live streaming service where you can interact with viewers in real time. When you hear someone speak of Twitch, you probably think of people streaming games, but it's bigger than that. It's also a social media platform with categories ranging from just chatting to artwork to music and beyond. And with an average of 3 concurrent viewers, over the span of 30 days, you can become an affiliate. So you're probably wondering this very moment in time, how to keep viewers in your stream. Well, let's talk about that. Tip number 1, talk. When someone tunes into your stream, they probably want to see who you are first before they start chatting in the chat. And if you're just sitting there, not doing anything, not speaking one word, just staring at your screen, they're gonna leave. So make sure you're talking and narrating what you're doing while you play the game, or whatever it is that you do on stream. Make sure you talk your way through it. Just try to be lively and entertain while you stream, which brings us to our tip number 2. Shout out followers. First off, make sure to have some type of follow alert, so when someone hits that follow button, it pops up on the screen for everyone to see. And also, shout out the viewer in real time. Say, hey, so-and-so, thank you for the follow, or create something unique. Usually when someone follows on my stream, I say, yo, so-and-so, thank you so much for the fresh, icy, crispy, clean follow. You get the 2-time salute. Welcome to the CalmCool community. This gets people excited for you as a streamer and makes them feel like they're just not another follow. Your first viewers are your most important viewers, so try to make them feel like a part of your stream. Tip number 3, play games with the viewers. Playing with people who come to your stream will help establish a connection between you and the viewer, and it will give the viewer a chance to get to know you as a person. So in your stream title, put something like playing with viewers and put the tag for playing with viewers as well. This will bring people to your stream who are looking to play with a streamer. And sometimes some of these viewers will be the ones that will stick around for years to come. Tip number 4, create a Discord community where your viewers can reside and make friends with one another. It also helps if you make a category for yourself where you can put your stream announcements, your schedule, all your social medias, and even Twitch clips. For your community, make a sharing category where they can introduce themselves, post memes, share videos, pictures, selfies, artwork, music, and so much more. This is a good way to talk to your viewers when you're not streaming, and even if a viewer doesn't come back to the stream, sometimes they end up sticking around in the Discord, and once in a while, they still come back to the stream. Tip number 5, create YouTube content. Do vlogs, gameplay videos, tutorials. When I started out streaming on Twitch, I would make content on YouTube for the game that I would stream. If anybody was interested in the game and they were looking for someone to play with, they could just come over to my stream and hang out. This also ties into tip number 6, play unsaturated games. When you first start out streaming, do not stream a popular game. Don't stream Fortnite. Don't stream Modern Warfare. Don't stream Apex. Find a game that has 10 to 15 people viewing it. By doing this, you will have a better chance of getting discovered, and you will also have a better chance of being the #1 streamer for that game. Once you find the game that you're gonna stream that game for a whole entire year, every single day, and build a community off that game. By doing this, you will have regulars in no time. Tip number 7, song request. Utilize song requests in your streams. Put song request in the title, put the command !SR to let people know that you are taking song requests. This will bring people to the stream who are looking to request songs, but be careful. There's trolls out there that will try to troll you and play the worst things. So make sure you have some mods before you decide to get song requests so they can keep an eye on the songs that go into the queue and keep you out of trouble. But having song requests on also keeps the viewers entertained because it allows them to play what they want to listen to while they sit and enjoy your stream. But one downside is that it does mute your VODs, so you can't use your VODs as content in the future. This is why it's only good to use song requests once in a while. Tip number 8, be positive. Always be positive in your streams. You don't want to be sad and mopey or like angry. Try to be positive, try to be happy. Being hostile towards your viewers could make them leave in 2 seconds. You never know what a viewer is going through when they tune into your channel, so you always want to be positive and give them support. Tip number 9, create something unique that other streamers can't offer. This could be the theme of your stream. It could be your personality. Maybe you're creating a type of content that only people could see when they tune into your stream by acting a certain way or showing something a certain way or dressing a certain way. When you come to my stream, I kind of established a CalmCoolSavage look where I always wear an orange hoodie, hood up, blue hat, Ray-Bans, and the gold chain. I also do freestyle raps and all sorts of stuff that is only unique when you tune into my channel. Tip number 10, just chatting. Don't neglect the just chatting category while streaming. This could be a great way to get to know your viewers. Through just chatting, you can get to know your viewers better, or they could get to know you better by putting warm up in your tags or AMA in your tags, which means ask me anything. Viewers can come to your stream and hang out and get to know you a little bit better, ask you anything. You can chill, watch videos, share music, go into Discord, look at memes. The possibilities are literally endless. I would recommend just going around to a few different streamers' channels and just watch them for a little bit. See how they do things, see how they run things, and take notes. What did you like the best about their streams? What made you most interested in their streams? And then take what you learned and include it in your own streams. Just remember to always be yourself, have fun, and don't feel like you have to be forced into being someone you're not. This is a place where you can be you and have people follow you for what you are. So utilize the different categories. I used to make beats on streams. Sometimes I work on artwork, or I do outdoor skateboarding streams. Just get creative. And there you have it. That's 10 ways to keep viewers in your stream. Just remember to talk, shout out followers, play with viewers, create a community Discord, do YouTube content, play games that are unsaturated, do song requests, always be positive, and create something unique to your channel. And don't forget to utilize just chatting. By keeping these 10 tips in mind, you should be able to get those 3 concurrent viewers over your 30-day period and become a Twitch affiliate in no time. These tips should have viewers coming back to your stream and sticking around for days to come. I hope this helped because all these tips really helped me when I first started streaming. I just wish someone would have told me when I first started that this was the way to get viewers to stick in your stream. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see me on stream, come over to twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. We're on the way to 3K follows. We have an amazing community and it's growing every day. Come on over, join the fun. I play with all my viewers and I do all types of streams. I would like to see you in the stream and I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Just comment right below. If this video helped you out in any way, hit up that like button. And if you like the content on the channel, punch out that sub button. Thank you guys for tuning in to the video. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage. Who's that?